Hello, I'm Taylin. Welcome to my channel where I post about bird stuff. I might look like a wreck. That's because I am. It is like 5:something in the morning. I'm early for school. But I just wanted to do this intro now because I don't want to do it later because I'll be at school. Because I'm going to the store right after school. So if you tell by the title, I'm just gonna be making chop in this video. But I also have to go shopping for it. I don't have any of the stuff. I need to go buy it at the moment. So yeah, I didn't want to do this intro at school and or anywhere else because I take public transit. So I'm going right after school. Like the bus stops like outside the store, so I'm just gonna pick up. I'm not gonna talk to the store because that's embarrassing in general. Also, the store I'm gonna go to is my workplace, so that's even more awkward. But damn. Literally so much later. I got home around 12:30-ish. It is now 5:13 p.m. Still haven't started chop. I'm just really tired today, but I plan on starting it around 6. I usually make my chop later at night, and I don't know why. It's just something I always do because that's when I have like the most energy and motivation to do things. I would like to do it earlier in the day so they can get it like fresh, but like I like doing things later. Put like not everything out, but like, you know, the main kind of things I need to actually make the chop. But I'm just going to quickly do a time lapse of me getting everything, then I'll show you everything. I'm just going to show everything that I got for the vegetable side. So I got some basil leaf, I got some spinach that got honestly very crushed oopsies at the bottom. It's fine. Spinach, broccoli, red radish, some dill. I don't like getting the ones in the plastic. Also, I want to start getting reusable bags. And also same with these. I need to get bigger tote bags and reusable bags just to make everything easier. And also, I don't like these plastic ones, but it was so much cheaper to get a smaller thing. Also, I'm not going to use the whole bunch, so it's also, I don't know. Then some bok choy. Sometimes I'll do bok choy, sometimes I'll do romaine lettuce. Today I got some bok choy. That's a mask. Then I just got, oh my god, okay. These are already smushed kind of because I kind of dropped them, and then the person was like being very rough with them down there. I was like, just checking them out. But a red bell pepper, a green bell pepper. It's fine. It's in a bag. Green bell pepper, and the yellow one fell out, so hopefully it's fine. Yeah, it's completely fine. No, it's fine. There's a little crack in it. Yellow bell pepper. Also, I dropped them when they were in like the bag. Like I was walking into my house and I dropped them. Then a beet. A butternut squash, which I'm actually allergic to. I break out in hives for like a week after I touch it, but it's fine. Sweet potato that I need to cook a little. My wallet. What's this? Green beans. cauliflower, zucchini, and then carrots. I just get the bag of baby carrots because then my family eats the baby carrots. I love baby carrots personally. My sister does favorite snacks with hummus or like spinach dip or something. So I just get these, and also the only way I can get like just like a whole carrot, you can just get one huge whole carrot. You have to get like a bunch of like 5, and those would go to waste. So just get the baby carrots. Yeah. Also, oh yeah. So I'm kind of realizing I got a lot of greens. I didn't get a whole huge amount of also reuse these. I didn't get a huge amount of sorry, I'm just realizing I forgot to take something out. I just have to find it now. Okay, where is that? Hello? That's annoying. I need that. Okay, it's like a mini strainer. I always use that, so I actually kind of need it. Okay, this is annoying. I can't find it. Where is that gone? Oh no, I just broke this drawer. That's dog stuff. Why was it in there? I don't know. Sorry. But the grocery store I go to doesn't have a huge selection of stuff. It's cheap, honestly, and I work there, so I get a discount. It's like only 50, it's like 20% discount, which is better than nothing. I'm happy I get a discount because this is like $40+ of vegetables. They're out of also a couple of vegetables that I usually get, so usually it comes close to 50, 60, 50. And then I was gonna buy hemp hearts. I forgot. Hemp seeds. Forgot. But it's fine. So first thing I'm actually gonna do right now, I usually do this while I make the chop. I put on my grains. Let me go grab those and show you what I have. Not just grains, these are other random things. So I have, this is grain. It looks yellow because of the container. But this is just wild rice. It smells so good, I personally think. Or might just be the container because it smells like teas. So it's probably not that. This is mixed split lentils and dried green beans. It's all they had at Bulk Bar, and I go to Bulk Bar and get the stuff because it's cheapest. They didn't have just mixed lentils. They had peas, but like that doesn't matter. Chia seeds. This is not a grain. I don't cook that. Just some leafy greens and herbs. I want to get an actual good herb mix and like flour mix. You got it from the parrotshop.ca. If you live in Canada, especially in Ontario, please check it out. This is just some pepper for $2. This doesn't obviously get cooked. Same with these, just dried chili peppers. Just sprinkle those over, kind of crush them up. Then I have basil leaf seasoning, but I don't need the seasoning if I have the thing. I also have oregano seasoning. I don't know where it is though, so. Then I have flaxseed, another thing that doesn't obviously get cooked. And then I have, where did it go? I just had it. I'm a mess. Oh, where is that? Did I put it back? Oh, I didn't. Okay. Oh, I need to take it down. I never got it down. I'll say I knew I was missing something. Quinoa. Another thing that gets cooked. Yeah, so I'm actually not going to be using my basil. This is just fully basil. It is just dried, crushed up basil. Literally, only ingredients in it, basil leaf. It's just really worn down the packaging because I don't know why. Bad packaging, I guess. What do I do with that? So, yeah, so I'm gonna kind of sort things out, make it look nicer, and then kind of show you everything. Just a literal mess over here. Just have the strainer in the sink. Don't know, there's a towel to grab the vegetables. Over here, you have the cutting board. I guess some of this stuff just leaked on stuff when I was showing. This just kind of helps scrape it out of the food processor. A smaller drainer, peeler, a bigger knife, smaller knife, measuring things, hand thing, Food processor out, and then this is just scraps, and this is where I put the rest of the things, and now I'm gonna cook these. Put the sweet potato in. I don't put it in for very long. It's on very low right now, because I don't want it to be too soft at all, really. Hey Google, pause. Now I just need to do these into this pot. Turn that on. I don't really measure these. Sure, this is good enough for me. Hold on, I can't pick it up. Okay. Just kind of do it in maybe a little bit more. I always need to remember that I don't have many birds, so I don't need to do a huge amount. They're also tiny. Okay, this is very... Okay, there we go. Okay, 112. Okay. A little bit more. Literally like 3 more. Okay, I'm just trying to do this quick. Just for the video's sake. This stuff is expensive, so I don't want to do a huge amount. It was like $40 for this much. Not even a pound, honestly. I don't think I even really truly like it. I just like adding things in. Even I'll use this to mix everything around. There we go. And then you don't want these to be too hard. You also want them to be crunchy to give that crunch to your bird, but you still want them to be cooked. So I'm gonna keep on checking up, back up on this stuff. Put this stuff away, and then start on the veggies. I usually start on the greens, whatever, greeny stuff, leafy greens. Here I have the dill and the basil. I already washed them. So just kind of, oh, there's a lot of water still in there. It's fine. Obviously not the best thing ever. Also, my food processor slightly sucks. That stuff smells so good. But now I'm gonna do this stuff. I'm done. It's kind of okay. I'm gonna need the thing to scoop it out. There we go. It's not a huge amount. I might do more. I'll see later. If I want to add more or not. But yeah, I forgot about this stuff. Now I'm doing the bok choy. There's still some pieces of dill, basil in there, but that doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm about to do the spinach. I already did the bok choy. It's mixed in here. So now I'm gonna do the spinach, and yeah, okay. I was trying to think of something. Yeah, doing the spinach now. The spinach is done. Oh, I need to clean up the camera. The spinach is done. Now I'm doing the green beans, the sweet potato, and greens are done. Now they're just in the fridge cooling off because they're obviously very hot right now. But yeah, I usually do those. Well, I usually do sweet potato last. For the zucchini, now I'm probably going to do, I guess if I'm staying on broccoli, doing the cauliflower. I already did the broccoli. I forgot to film it, and I don't know if I filmed the zucchini, but I also did the zucchini. Oh, it's very green in here. But it's okay. I still have a few colored vegetables to go. So yeah, I'm moving on to the cauliflower. Oh, I have stuff. Moving on to the radishes now. Now I'm moving on to the carrots. It's still looking very green for some reason. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I added quite a lot of cauliflower and quite a lot of radish. So I don't know why it's still looking so green, but it's okay. It's okay. We still have more to go. I did the bell peppers. They're mixed in here. I also added a little bit more radish because I really didn't do enough. A lot of radish. Now I think I'm gonna do the sweet potato, the squash, and then the beet. I always do the beet last because it turns everything red from the dye, or not the dye, the juices, which is actually kind of like a natural dye. We're about filming things, but I just did the sweet potato. after it being cooled down in the fridge. Now I'm going to do the squash, which is one of the hardest things to do. Then the beet. Then add all the grains and stuff, and then I'm done. And we'll clean up. But after that, I'm done. So I just finished all the vegetables. Now I'm actually gonna clean up first and then add the rest of the stuff because it is too much of a mess for me to even focus right now. And then I'm gonna drain the liquids that are in it, make it less moist. So therefore I can save it for longer. Then it's getting all dyed from the beads from mixing it around, so maybe I should stop mixing it around. But I need to clean up. It's bad. Also, we're gonna talk about that, okay? So now I'm gonna just add the rest of these things to it. So the grains, did a lot of quinoa. I didn't realize how much I did, and then so little of the lentils. Oh God. Okay, I'm just gonna empty that all into there. Probably could have and should have made more, but it's fine. Put those in. Really good video, or whatever. Very good portrait, whatever, of me. There we go. And do the rest of this. Can't see, so I'll do it like down here. That's good. Now you can see me actually adding things in. Let's do the chia seeds. Let me just okay, I need to get things. Ignore children yelling outside. I promise you, no kids are being harmed. So add some chia seeds. These are whole organic chia seeds. Because are all chia seeds organic, I guess? I don't know. So chia's added. I'm just adding up this. Mix that in. Chia nice and mixed in. Now we'll do the flax seeds. You can open them up. Do about the same amount. Yeah, that's good, I think. Okay. That should be all mixed in now. Chia. Now, these shitty herbs. I just, kind of just sprinkle these in. They smell good at least, but they truly are not the most amazing herbs. So mix all those in. There's sometimes like really big pieces of stuff in it, like big pieces. It's like sticks almost. It looks like sticks. It's not sticks. Then just some of the dried chili peppers, and just pretty much just. Also make sure every time after you touch these, in case like you also have these, that you wash your hands, because I didn't once, and then I went to go touch my eye, and let's just say it wasn't fun. I did like 4 of these, sometimes more. It kind of counts as one of. I like to I want to get more dried veg to put in. I want to get sprouting mixes, and I also want to get sprouting mixes and different like actual good herbs and flour mixes. I actually know a good place to get them. So my birds don't really like these. They do like the seeds. Besides that, they won't really eat the skin. Mix that in now. And I love smelling it. It smells so good. It smells so good. I dropped a lot of like mess again after I just cleaned up. But I like putting a flash on so you can kind of see. Once again, the beets kind of dyed everything. You know, that's what they do. I put the same amount of beets as I did everything else, so you know. It looks very just orange and thing, but it was actually decently green before. You don't want it to be fully green though. You want a lot of different colors. But the thing about beets is they will change your color of every vegetable to like a light pink. But here it is. And in a second, I'll be talking about why chop is so important to feed to your birds. Actually, the birds' bedtime, so I'm going to put them to sleep now. But quickly, I was going to show you kind of what their pellets are. They're kind of routine with their pellets. Here's their pellet dish. Should probably go clean it. There's just like dust in it. Probably go clean it, but I don't really have time right now because it's way past their bedtime. So I keep a bunch of things over here for it, so it makes it enriching for them and harder for them to work to get their pellets. We do not free feed pellets, in which that means that they don't have pellets accessible to them all day. It's only at night. It's kind of their dinner. Chop is like breakfast. And then, because you consider lunch when we do training, because they do training around lunchtime. So they get millets and seeds for training, so I guess you can consider that their lunch, but it's fatty. But let me show you their pellets. Get Harrison's Adult Lifetime Formula in the size super fine. I'm gonna go to grab the other stuff. They're gonna come and fly on to me. Oh god, if I can pick it up. They're always watching. They're always watching. Are you always watching? Get some of the Tropicana pellets. These are bigger because they're meant for cockatiels and conure size birds. Then Rowdy Bush in the size super fine as well. Or nibbles it's called, I think. So how I do this is pretty much I do 1 teaspoon of this, 1 teaspoon of the Tropicana, and then 2 teaspoons of this, 2 teaspoons of pellets, a budgie per day. But since this is 2 teaspoons for 1 budgie per day, but since this is being fed to 2 budgies, I put 4 teaspoons in it all together. I know it does not exactly even it out because I don't see what they're eating. Also, they do not fight over their dish. If they were to, they would get a separate dish, but I've never had an issue with them fighting. They're very good at sharing their food. They'll sit at the same time and eat. And I have tried 2 separate dishes, but they'll just eat the same one. So I don't really find a reasoning to have 2 separate ones. If I ever did see any sort of aggression, though, or hormonal activities, or any kind of guarding over it, I would automatically get 2 dishes. Goes while I'm trying to do this. Oh, now you stop. Now you stop. I already did some Rowdy Bush. As you can tell, I need to stock back up. Show yourself. On my back? Why on my back? Show yourself. Then 1 teaspoon that. Would you like one? Would you like one? There you go. Good munch. Then there's another bird with that one still. Okay, 2 birds. We got this. There they go. Then 2 teaspoons of the Harrison's. I did a little bit less than a teaspoon. Okay, I'll close that up later. It's really difficult closing that. Also, I touched my face and I didn't wash my hands after touching the What's going on? What are you doing? What's going on? Okay, so now I just kind of mix it up. Okay, and try not to spill some while doing it. So you can see all pellets are in there. Add crinkle paper, block, finger trap, star, like just random scraps from different toys and toy parts. Then we just place it in there and they will show themselves in because they are hungry. Come on, let's go. Thank you. Okay, that was got in the way. And then time for them, and then I'll get back to you when I'm done doing all this. I said at the end I was gonna do a whole thing about nutrients, but I did, and it deleted. So I'll do a different video about bird nutrients and bird diet. But this is the end of this video now. So thank you very much for watching. I also don't know why my comments are restricted. I didn't do that. I know, let me unrestrict them, but I have all my other social medias in the description on this video. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I would say let me know what you want to see next. I'm running out of ideas, but the fact is that you can't because my comments are restricted. But yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.